Hey YouTubers, it is Tony with Mayberry Mini Trucks. Today we're going to show you a neat little alternative to a Japanese mini truck. It's a van. So the Japanese mini truck industry also puts out a few vans. There's not a whole lot of them, but the really cool thing about them is when you get one, you have a couple of neat options that you don't get with the mini truck. This particular vehicle has sliding doors on each side, and the other one on the other side slides also. And then if you need there's plenty of cargo space if you need room to put stuff. And then also if you want to have room for passengers, you just do that, and then you got passenger space. The windows roll up and down on the sliding doors. And this unit also has brand new Toyo mud snow tires all the way around, which are, you cannot get those in the United States to my knowledge, and we've tried, and we are allowed to import them on the vehicles. So that's been a real plus. And I'll go ahead and do a quick walk around here. There's literally no, I don't think there's a single door ding on the whole vehicle. Whoever had it just did not use it much at all. Also, something I did not show you is the rear hatch opens. So let me go ahead and show you how that works. Pretty nicely. Just pops up. The shocks on the hatch are also fresh. You know, sometimes with hatches like this, they get worn out, but these ones appear to have been replaced pretty recently because they've got a lot of life in them. All right, so let's go ahead and take it for a test drive. Also, you can see the seats are in very good shape. And the back seat does have a little tear. I don't know if you can see it. Just a little where the stitching was. There's just a little bit of damage there. The door panels are in excellent shape. The passenger seat looks to be very good. Even the floor mats are in really good shape. There's a little dirt on them, but dashboard, again, the floor mat's got dirt, but it is in very good shape. And so yeah, let's take it for a ride. One of the cool things about this vehicle is the seats go way back. So you could be 6'6" and still have plenty of legroom, which is unheard of in a mini truck. It also has an extra high ceiling in this vehicle. So it starts right up. We're gonna have it in two-wheel drive, but if you did want to operate the four-wheel drive, you simply push this button, and then the four-wheel drive on the dash lights up. That green light right there lights up. And we're not going to use a four-wheel drive, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it back off.